Welcome back guys. Initially very sorry for not being available for a long time as due to my fracture I couldn't make any videos, but finally I'm back. So I just got out of the Karoma store, a Tata Enterprise. So now let's get out what I got. So this is a cable type C, and this is a power bank that I got for free. Not actually free, but a very negligible price that I couldn't you couldn't even imagine. And here is the main thing. Sorry for this. I just opened it right there because due to the checking purposes. So I'm just opening the seal, nothing else. I haven't even used the phone right now. So it's the sexiest phone right now available in the market under 20,000 rupees. Samsung Galaxy A50. And I've got it got three variants that are white, black and blue. I was confused in all of them, but as always black wins. White was the sexiest, blue was okay, black was stunning, and over black and white always black wins. And ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਾਵਤ ਆ ਵਾਈਟ ਛੇਤੀ ਮੈਲਾ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. So let its specifications be 4G LTE octa-core processor, and it has a triple camera that is 25 MP, 5 MP plus 8 MP, and 25 MP front camera. I got the model of 64 GB memory and 6 GB RAM. On screen fingerprint Infinity U display. So now I don't think so you are interested to listen. So right here I'm here, the sexiest phone. I am changing it with my old phone, that is Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. So now here is the triple camera that I like the most. The first one is the 25 MP for normal, and this is 8 MP ultra wide lens and 5 MP live focus, and this is LED flash. The buttons are quite okay. So from right here, the SIM ports are right here, and I don't think so anything. The speakers right here, and the charging point, and the audio jack that even iPhone X doesn't have. So in-box accessories are charger, type C cable, and these are earphones. And I don't think so anything else I got with this. No, I think I got this one more thing. That's I think the back cover. Yes, it's the transparent back cover and the guides that no one reads actually. So let me, I don't think so anything tell about the charger and the cables. So now let us get to the phone. Let me adjust the camera a bit. Okay. So now let me get the phone into my hands. The stunning look of it, and its pricing is for the 4GB variant it's 19,990, and for 6GB variant of RAM is 23,000 rupees. And I got a quite good discount on my card due to Chroma sale offer, and I also got this at a negligible amount from Chroma. And nothing else to tell in this phone right now because I haven't used it. So let me just put the cover and check how it looks. It looks amazing, quite sexy design. So now let me on the device for the first time. Samsung Galaxy A50. I've already told you the specifications, and they might be coming on the screen too. Let me clear the bit, get off. Also I took one more thing, and that's the screen guard, and most important thing in a phone. I've already replaced 4 times my old phone's screen. So now let me unbox the power bank too. Okay, so first okay, let's go. Nothing. Bring your old data back. Skip this for now. I will connect my Wi-Fi network right now. It's taking quite okay. It's connected. So now next checking. It's checking for updates. Let's put it aside for a moment and get us to the power bank. I bought the guard. I will buy the 6G guard later on, so nothing to tell in the guard. And here's the Chroma power bank. It's quite low weight, and I forgot to tell the weight of the phone. It's only 166 grams and quite easy to carry. And the power bank also is only of 100 gram, and and it is of a 10,000 mAh and a quite good design by Chroma. And thank you Chroma for giving me this. And let's keep it aside and get back to our phone. I will put the Google ID later on. Okay, I accepted. Let's go for the fingerprint scanner. That's on-screen fingerprints. Okay, continue. I'm setting the pattern lock for now. These settings will be changed later on. So if any of my friends are watching, don't see that you can get that to my phone. So okay. Quite hard to set up a fingerprint, and even on-screen fingerprint. It would take a quite long time. It's just 44% till now. Just wait a minute. So finally 100%. I'm not going to add a second one. The first one was quite hard. I will do that all the things later on. I will sign into my Samsung account later on. I've only used Samsung mobiles till today. So see the quite good design, amazing phone. I couldn't review it because I haven't used it, but the camera is quite cool as compared to my old phone. Triple camera. Let's click a pic of this. The pictures I clicked I will be uploaded after the video. So nothing else to tell in this. Nothing. And the discounted link, or the link you can say to buy this phone, will be given in the description below. Also this power bank is only available on Chroma stores I think, or Chroma online stores. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to. Thank you. Well, talking about the past 6-hour experience with this phone is quite amazing. I could say, talking about its camera, it's taking quite good selfies of mine, and also live focus selfies are quite good in this, and also the portrait pictures that I wanted to take with the rear camera are very amazing. So camera I give it 10 on 10 at this price range of 20k only. And now talking about its security, the fingerprint isn't quite good. It doesn't work well, but it is okay. But its face recognition feature is quite amazing. You can just see, I just cheered and the phone is unlocked. I couldn't need to do anything else. Don't stare at my wallpapers. I know they are sexy, but don't stare on them. And now you can see, even if I remove my specs and just see the phone. Oh, I forgot to lock it first. Now I locked it and just see, and it's unlocked. I didn't use my fingerprint or any pattern lock, but its face recognition is quite good. So I would give 10 on 10 for the face recognition too. And for the fingerprint I give 7 on 10. and the pattern is same. And so nothing else to tell in the phone. I haven't used it for much. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to give me a like if you go through the whole video and liked it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.